I'm Maddy Hughes. I work for Allister Malcolm. I'm his assistant, and I've been working for his company, Allister Malcolm Glass Ltd, for just over 3 years. Once I finished uni, I'd gone back to Wolverhampton University, and once I finished that, I'd had an opportunity to come and do a trial day with Allister, and then found out that he was going to hire me. I'm totally obsessed with glass now, with glass making, and I've just fallen in love with the material. It's squishy and hot, dangerous, and it's challenging as well. It's really difficult to learn how to be a good glass maker, and I think I really value the challenges. Working for Allister has made me better as an artist myself, and so I learn a lot of different kinds of glass techniques. He's also really supportive of me as a glass artist in my own right, so I get to hire the workshop sometimes and make my own pieces.